There are no secrets to success. It is the result of planning, sincere hard work and continuous learning. Indexcel Engineering Private Limited, established in 2004, is a revolutionary reflection of two brilliant minds, Mr. Amit Singhal and Mr. Rajesh Goenka, and their team of experienced engineers who are masters in electrical, instrumentation and automation solutions. Indexcel is headquartered at the banks of Chambal at Kota, Rajasthan and has sales office at various locations. Indexcel has state-of-the-art infrastructure and smartly designed various divisions: HR, sales, accounts and purchase, EPC project, energy automation, industrial automation, design and engineering, shop floor, quality assurance and customer support for efficient and precise working. Indexcel is serving prominent sectors in industries and infra, thermal and nuclear power plants, cement industries, water and waste treatment plant, municipal corporation, dams and canals, irrigation department, chemical and fertilizer plants, oil and gas, metal and mining to name a few. Indexcel has products and solutions for every sector. Field instrumentation, PLC or SCADA automation and IIoT solutions, electrical and control panels, also approved in PHED, fire and gas detection system, calibrators and test bench, pneumatic valves and cylinders, electrical test equipments, metal detectors from Mesotronic, Germany.
Indexcel is more focused on customer satisfaction. We are committed to provide best-in-class products and services using latest technologies to customers for a long-term business relationship. We are using ERP systems to streamline everything from inquiry received to generation of techno-commercial offers, purchase orders, billing and dispatch for accurate and faster working. All the documents are secured within our own cloud server.
We at Indexcel believe in delivering quality. For every project, we do detailed engineering and execute it to provide best solutions in a scheduled time. For minimizing errors, we also organize internal, third-party and customer factory acceptance tests in our premises. Indexcel is registered with NSIC and MSME. We also have 27001, 14001 and 9001 ISO certifications.
Indexcel is partnered with Schneider, Honeywell, ABB, Pepperell and Fuchs, Vega, Massibus, Fuji, Mesotronic, Metso, Rotex, Megger etc. to combat the latest technology. We also keep stock of products for faster delivery.
My name is Vinod Mamgai and I'm working here since the very beginning. In Indexcel, freedom of work, empowerments of individuals and work-life balance are the key aspects for our growth over the years.
We also organize customer training sessions. Indexcel has well-maintained PLC and instrument testing lab for instrument calibration. After completion of system and testing, it is safely packed and dispatched through reliable transport facility. Indexcel understands the importance of service and sales and ensures prompt service, immediate response and quick access. Indexcel has been awarded many times for its outstanding performance and dedication towards work. Indexcel is continuously engaged in paying back to society. Plantation on roadside, blood donation camp. Indexcel is standing tall to provide the best services for every industry.